Students, DC to DC converter, which is also known as chopper, it is the device, power electronics device, used to convert a fixed DC to variable DC. Input side we have fixed DC voltage, and output side we get the chopped DC voltage. This period is known as on time and this is off time. DC to DC converters are of three types according to the input and output voltage relations. It is of buck, boost and buck boost type. The basic purpose of DC to DC converters or choppers is to provide stable regulated output voltage to supply electric and electronic circuits. The principle of step down or step up operation of the chopper. Basically, the circuit consists of source, switch and load. Switch have duty cycle known as alpha, and in some books it is also written as capital D. The switch can be implemented by using power electronic devices like BJT, MOSFET, GTO or IGBT. Duty cycle can vary from 0 to 1, which decide that it will be a buck converter or boost converter. If alpha is less than 1 by 2, then it may be most probably buck converter, and if alpha is greater than 1 by 2, then it is boost. It is buck and it is boost converter. In buck boost converter, alpha can vary less than or greater than 1 by 2, so it can behave as buck converter as well as boost converter. We will see it in next topics. The voltage harmonics which contain in the voltage waveforms, it is filtered by DC filter and smooth out the ripples. Okay.